Sephora. I'm juicy. Oh, my face is juicy. It is humid out here. Let me tell y'all something. Okay? Hold on a second. I came to Dollar General to pick up some allergy pills. Just something simple. And then I picked up some nails because I haven't done nails, like press-on nails. So I got some Allegra. And then I got these mini or sculpted nails so that I could put those on. I got some Burger King for lunch. And yeah. You guys, I almost forgot that I ordered something from Sephora. So it just came in the mail. Let me prop this phone up. But you know, so let's go and see what we got in here because I can't wait. This is the very first time I'm buying this product, but this product is well known. It's black owned, and if you're living under a rock and you don't know who this person is, oh well, I don't know what to tell you, but hold on. So let's kind of oh, by the way, that's the rain. There's a storm coming through, and there. Hi guys, I just wanted to point out that that shirt I'm wearing is one of the H&M shirts that I picked up. Let us look at it. This is the Forever Mood by Jackie Aina, and this is the set of 4. This is her new collection, and the reason I got it in 4 is because I've never bought any of the candles, and I just kind of want to try it out first before I kind of buy the big ones. So I felt like it was really great to kind of get the box, the little mini set. So we got Chasing Waterfalls, Must Have Been the Wind, Not Down to Earth, and Burning Bridges. So that is what I got, and I'm actually going to go and put this on my Instagram because I haven't posted anything on my Instagram. So I will talk to you guys later. This is it. You'll see me open the box in a bit. I mean, let me go put this on Instagram and I'll be right back. So I took it off, like I said. That's gonna be the thumbnail. I get the thumbnail. I'm learning, y'all. But look at this pretty box. Now, is it ooh, Miss Aina. Okay, Miss Aina. Because this is your element. Ooh, Jackie. Ooh, these are pretty. OMG, they're pretty. Let's get them out. Don't mind my crusty hands. Like I said, I'm always crusted up. But look at those gorgeous. Like, they're super pretty. Thumbnailing it. So, Chasing Waterfalls. It smells like baby powder. Like, I don't know. It has a baby powder scent to it. But it's so cute. Like, OMG. And then Not Down to Earth. Let's smell what... I have no idea what this one smells like, but... Oh, it smells so good. Don't mind, I've dug into the candle. So, if I had to, like, pick one to burn now, I would choose between Burning Bridges and Not Down to Earth. Because they have, like, this soft, feminine scent to them. And, oh, this one. Must Have Been the Wind. Oh, they smell so girly. OMG. Jackie, these are awesome. I actually like them. So now that I like them and I think they're pretty cute, what I'll do is I'll actually burn one later when I'm getting ready to do my exam, and that way I can feel the vibe. So if you haven't ordered your Jackie Aina candles, go ahead. This is her new collection, Your Sign to Shine, and I think it's really cute. And like I said, I've never tried them out before, and I didn't want to just kind of buy it and I'm not really into them. So I bought the minis and I wanted to get like different scents. So I bought those and we see, and we will buy the big ones. Hopefully she has more big ones left. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So guys, I just got back from Target. I did a quick Target run. I also went to Lowe's and just to buy some like plants, some flowers and that kind of thing, so that I could plant some like flowers in the backyard in my little pots, because I'm redoing the backyard and we're gonna do a lot. You guys stay tuned for that, because this year we're actually trying to start doing things and kind of keeping on like this track. So I did go to Target, but I did also want to show you some things I picked up. I did a haul and I didn't put these in the haul, but I'm actually going to show you guys them so that you could see what I picked up and what I've been doing. But yeah, I'm gonna flip you guys around and you'll see it in a second. Hold on. Last week I was walking through Target. I'll show you what I picked up today. I didn't pick up a lot today, but I was walking through Target. I don't remember if you guys saw these in the Walmart haul that I had done earlier. They come in different colors, and I think they were like 10, or how much were they? Yeah, they were $14.98. I want to go back and get another color, maybe the white or the pink. I'm not sure yet. But then I got these from Forever 21. Don't mind my ashy hands. From Forever 21. And I think they were like, I want to say, yeah, they were $17.99. And I thought these were cute. I showed you guys the other pair that I picked up. But then for me, because my feet sweat and I have hyperhidrosis, I usually pick up these inserts to put in these sandals. That sometimes these sandals are like a one season sandal and they don't last, which is okay, but I actually put these inserts in there. So these are from Target, the Fab Feet insoles, and I want to say these were like $6 or $7. I don't know, or maybe $12. Who knows? But guess what? I was just walking through randomly. I want to show you the price first. $8. And these are them. And look at them right here. It is super cute. I thought they were so pretty. It was something different. And so, like if I'm going out, I could wear these with some jeans or a dress. Whatever, I can actually put those. And I got those for $8. They were on sale. I was just cruising through the aisle and saw them. These are some other pairs I got from Walmart. I had these last year. I don't remember who I got these from. I think these are these Walmart or Forever 21? I don't remember where I got these from, but these lasted. My Tahiri sandals, I got those last year. These are from Target. No, not Target, Forever 21. And I think, no, H&M, because I remember they were on sale for like $6. Yes, I got really small feet. So, yeah, they were on sale for $6. And then these, the color is what? They're $10.98. And they're the No Boundaries brand from Walmart. And I picked them up in the green, and I thought they were cute. And I noticed that most of the sandals and the slippers this year are like this square toe or rounded curved toe. These came in different colors too. I just need to go back and see if they have any in my size. So that is what I picked up a while back, and I didn't get to show you guys. I haven't worn any of them yet. Maybe only one or two that I've worn, and what I have on my feet right now, I gotta go get a pedicure. But these, I believe, I don't remember where I got these from. But I'm thinking these were Marshalls. Yeah, I think these were from Marshalls, and I wore these today with my blue dress. Um, but like I told you guys, I was looking for statement pieces, not statement pieces. Let me not say statement pieces. Basics. I got some new t-shirts. When I went in there, they had some new colors, the green, the olive. These were from the New Day, a New Day brand. These are $5. I got a green. Then I walked by and the BCI, what is this? This is Target's brand. Um or whoever, I don't know who they are. Better Cotton something by Universal, and this was $10, and it's a crop top. And from Head to Curve on YouTube, here on YouTube, I follow her. I love her. I think she's super dope and cool, very down to earth, spiritual. And she did a haul from Walmart, and she bought a crop top, and she's for the plus size community, and she was like size up to kind of give it that look where it is crop, but it's not like crop where you're showing out your stomach. So I picked this one up in an extra large, I believe. Yeah, I think it's an extra large so that it could give me that crop top but still full. And then of course I bought another one in the lilac mauve color because I think that's the color for the season, is like purple. So that's what I got. But I also got something else too. I've heard years ago about bio oil for stretch marks, and I have never used it. But someone was showing this on their page. I want to say it's from Head to Curve. She showed this, or someone else, and it is, was it her or Jemima? Jemima. If you've watched Jemima, she is cool. She does a lot of hauls and Walmart and luxury brands and that kind of thing, but she always does like an affordable haul. And this one, I wanted to try it out by Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. They have a skin therapy oil, and it says it helps improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, dry, damaged skin, uneven skin tone, and aging skin with pure argan oil. And so I picked it. I went specifically to Target to get it so that I could start using it. I'll let you guys know. But let me look in the mirror so that you guys could see my stretch marks there on my arm. I don't have a problem with my stretch marks. To be honest with you, I've never had it. I had a kid. I have stretch marks all over my tummy, and I never really like cared about like feeling self-conscious because I don't. To me, my stretch marks is just there. I don't look at them like it's a bad thing. But I'm going to kind of like focus on seeing if it would clear it up and see what it does, because I was talking to my sister and she's like, oh, you should get a tattoo and cover your arms. And I do want to get a tattoo up here and over here, but we'll see. So I will keep you guys posted as I had gained weight over time and my skin stretched. So now that I've lost the weight, some of the weight, we'll see what happens. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna finish tidy up the house. Big is actually finished painting the kitchen. I did some planting, like potting those flowers. I need to get some more plant pots, and so I believe this weekend coming up, I'll probably head out to like Home Depot, Old Time Pottery, because they have really nice plant pots. And I'm just going to try to see what I could do with the yard. I'm also going to be looking online to kind of get an idea, like on Pinterest, to like what I want to do with the yard. I saw some furniture that I want to pick up for the yard. So stay tuned for that, because all that's coming up. I'm going to actually end the vlog here right now and then start the new vlog for the following week. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you guys had a great Sunday, a great weekend. I hope where you're at, the weather is beautiful, because today the weather is really great. It's feeling like spring, and I'm excited for that. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
Is this okay by itself? Like this?